let's take a look at what it takes to remove the back straps and replace them from an Echelon frame. Now, the manual will tell you that if you use another one of the back straps, you could use the armorer's tool, the little punch that's at the tip of them, to remove each of the other back straps. You could shove it in and use it as leverage to be able to release it. But the back straps are kind of wide and it's cumbersome to shove it in there and get it released. I've found it is much easier to just finger your frame. If you shove your finger in, feel along the back edge of it to a square that's about midway up. When you feel that square, push into it and release the grip module like so. What we're doing is we're putting our finger up into this area and pushing right there. Pushing that little lever into place. To reinstall this, notice that there are a cutout that match these back lugs on the frame. So if we kind of put the punch in and push in, there we go. That's how easy it is to take them on and off. Shove your finger in, press the lever, comes right off just by fingering the frame.